Hey everyone, if you want to add new objects, replace parts of an image, or expand a photo using artificial intelligence, Pixlr AI Generative Fill can make the process incredibly easy. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pixlr AI Generative Fill from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Pixlr website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the Pixlr editor and upload the image you want to modify. After the image loads, select the area you want the AI to edit. You can use a selection tool, brush tool, or any available masking option to highlight the part of the image you want to change. After the export is complete, download the image to your device and use it in your project, social media content, marketing materials, or creative designs. For the best results, use precise prompts, make selections carefully, and experiment with different descriptions until you achieve the look you want. And that's how to use Pixlr AI Generative Fill in 2026. It's a powerful way to transform images, add new elements, and create content that would normally take much longer to edit manually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.